Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great year, folks. 2017. Have to love it. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take the responsibility to making new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change that agreement and create a new one. Use your imagination to explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 119, Nasdaq up 45, S&P's up 16, gold contract up $8.70, traded at $1,160 an ounce. Silver up 35 cents at $16.34 an ounce. Platinum up 35 bucks at $9.39 an ounce. Gold, silver, platinum all caught a bid, folks. They caught a bid, which was phenomenal, actually, with King Dollar at all-time highs. We'll talk about King Dollar. King Dollar did fail on price, on volume of the December 15th high as well as its last two highs. Oil contract, volatility in spades. Oil contract down $1.22, $52.50. Oil are traded as high as $55 today. Total reversal. Bonds, 10-year note, down 6 ticks, 124.03. That had been down almost a full point. The 30-year bond, this is pretty incredible, flat at 150.21. That was down 1.5 points. So both the 10-year note, 30-year bond rejected lower price, had lighter volume. They want higher price, lower yield. King Dollar up 954 ticks at 103.240. King Dollar got over the last three highs. The largest one, well, not the largest one, but the first one that has the volume behind the move was December 15th. That's 0.535. Bottom line, failed once again on price and volume. Pretty amazing, actually, this morning when good old King Dollar was up and gold was only down $2. That was phenomenal. I don't think I've ever actually seen a move like that in the past 14 years that I've been doing the gold report, that you could have the dollar that high and didn't phase gold whatsoever. The euro is trading at 104, and the yen is at 117.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get the SPY up 161. You're at 225.14. It's going to be a close call. This, if this closed a little bit low, I mean, if it closed 224.83, you would have had a higher probability this an ABC down, but it still could very well be an ABC down. You came down with volume off these highs. We bounced today with 85 million going into 156. Bottom line is that we'll see if it can get into the 224.83 once again. The price projection on this potential ABC structure on the way down inside the S&P or inside the SPY, folks, is 220.22. Inside the Dow Industrials, what do you got inside the Dow Industrials? We had a high out here of 19,938. You're at 19,881. So bottom line is that it's getting flack from the December 28th downdraft as well as the December 14th downdraft. We go into the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What you have with the 3 Qs, you're up $1.03. You did 22 million shares, and that's after coming downtown with 41 million. The 3 Qs want lower price. What they haven't done yet is get back inside the lower range. We did that on Friday. It tucked its head inside the lower range on Friday. The Qs would have to get back inside 119. Oh, actually, we're inside it. Okay, pretty. 119.65. They didn't get back outside it. 119.65 to 119.66 is the number. And you're at 119.51. We go take a look at the small caps, the IWM first. IWM is the weakest index out there. That traded to a high today of 136.82. You're at 135.52. That is building cause, and that's building cause to try to get into the 130.26 area. We go take a look at the oil contracts. You had natural gas get toasted and roasted. That was down 10.2%. Big number. Oil was down 2.2%. Also a decent number, but if you were in front of a machine or a computer today looking at this oil market, it was huge. It went from 55.24 down to 52.11, and this kind of took place all at the same time, meaning when the market, when the dollar was surging to highs, gave it up, oil was going from $55 at 10 o'clock, at 10:10 this morning, all the way down to 52.22. That's when, if we go over to the bond market, what you're going to see inside the bonds also rejected lower price, just took off topside, and all of these correlations took off at the same time, meaning at 10:10 this morning. We had the 10-year note was trading at 123.18 at 10 o'clock this morning. Bottom line, made it all the way back. 30-year bond, pretty amazing. That baby went from a price point of 149.02 to 150.24. And this baby looks to me like it's ready to launch into the 153 to 155.13 area. King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? King Dollar failed on price, failed on volume once again, folks. So we did 51,000 contracts out here. It was going into 83,000, I believe. Yeah, 83,000. That is from the December 15th area. 103.535 was the high. We came off that high. We went to another high on December 20th. That failed on price and volume. That's when we got to 103.625. Back down. We tested on December 28th. Now, we made 103.575, which got you over the first high. And this is the kick you want to wrap your head on. Then, what did you do? You came off of that high with an expansion of volume. Today, we get up, try to test again, can't handle it. Bottom line, we'll be able to see how we back down. You know, this dollar is having a hard time holding higher price. I think what's more important and give us more information is that the metals market will not back off. If we go to the XAU, what you're going to see, the XAU is trading up 315. You're at 82 bucks. This is off its low of 71. You're at 82. This is making its way up to the 92 mark. And the Gold Bugs Index, that showed real strength. That jumped ahead of the XAU. That's at 189, off the low of 166. That's on its way up to 222. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 119. NASDAQ up 45. S&P's up 16. We're going to be right back.